Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share some very easy recipes that you can make at home. These recipes are perfect for beginners and do not require special cooking skills. I will explain each recipe clearly, step by step. Our first recipe is simple egg toast. This recipe is very popular because it is quick and filling. You only need bread, eggs, oil, salt, and pepper. These are basic ingredients found in most homes. Heat the pan on medium flame and add a small amount of oil. Crack the egg carefully into the pan and cook it slowly. Slow cooking helps the egg stay soft and tasty. Place the cooked egg on toasted bread. This meal gives energy and keeps you full for a long time. The second recipe is easy vegetable pasta. You can use any vegetables you like or already have at home. Boil the pasta until soft, then drain the water. Cook vegetables lightly and mix them with pasta. This recipe is simple, tasty, and perfect for lunch or dinner. Our third recipe is a quick oatmeal bowl. Oats are healthy and give long-lasting energy. Cook oats slowly with milk or water. You can add fruits or nuts to improve taste and nutrition. This breakfast is very easy to prepare at home. These were some easy recipes that you can make at home. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.